It is 5:30 on December 23rd, 2020. I'm on my way home from work in a blizzard. The roads have been pretty rough. As you can see, the wind blowing by. Just heard on the radio there's been 251 crashes in the Twin Cities, so that's not very pleasant. So I just thought I'd make a little video to commemorate this drive home from work, because it's been such a joy. It's about 20 miles to where I work in Savage, Minnesota, and I've been doing about 20-25 miles an hour the whole way home. So what's usually a fairly easy commute is taking an incredible amount of time. But kind of like the tortoise and the hare, slow and steady wins the race. I don't want to be one of those guys in the ditch because they're in a hurry to get home.